Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Imagine styling your Zepeto avatar with clothes you designed yourself. That's exactly what we're exploring today. You can create unique virtual fashion, bringing your wildest design ideas to life. From custom outfits to intricate accessories, your creativity has no bounds here. Design entire collections, share them with a global community, and even earn real income doing what you love. It's an amazing opportunity to express your style. To kickstart your Zepeto fashion journey, you'll primarily need two things: a digital art program and Zepeto Studio. For the actual design work, popular choices include Adobe Photoshop, Procreate on an iPad, or Clip Studio Paint. Choose whatever you are most comfortable with. Zepeto Studio, on the other hand, is your official gateway for uploading your masterpieces, managing your items, and connecting with the platform. It's user-friendly and crucial. The foundation of your design begins with downloading Zepeto's official 2D templates, which serve as the base for all clothing items. These templates are crucial as they guide your design, ensuring everything fits perfectly on different avatar body types. You will then paint directly onto these templates, paying close attention to texture, color, and intricate details. Think about how the fabric would drape or reflect light in the virtual world for the best results. Once your design is polished and ready, the next step is submitting it through Zepeto Studio for review. The dedicated Zepeto team then thoroughly checks each submission, ensuring it meets their high standards for quality, originality, and adherence to all platform guidelines. This process ensures a fair and vibrant marketplace for everyone. Upon successful approval, your unique item will become immediately available for purchase and wear by anyone in the bustling Zepeto app. To truly shine and maximize your potential earnings, focus on creating unique designs that genuinely resonate with current fashion trends and the Zepeto community. Don't forget to promote your amazing creations widely on social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok to reach a much broader audience. Actively engage with the vibrant Zepeto community. Understanding their preferences and seeking feedback is invaluable for continuous improvement and growing your brand. Keep creating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.